Beauty products are part of our daily lives. We use them to look and feel our best, but many beauty products contain harmful chemicals. These chemicals can be bad for our health. They can also pollute the environment. Eco-friendly beauty is about making better choices. It's about choosing products that are good for us and good for the planet. Traditional beauty products often contain ingredients that harm our ecosystems. They can pollute our water and harm wildlife. By choosing eco-friendly products, we reduce our impact. We can all make a difference with small changes. Eco-friendly beauty is a step towards a healthier and more sustainable future. Making your beauty routine more eco-friendly is easier than you think. Start by swapping out disposable products for reusable alternatives. Instead of cotton pads, try reusable makeup remover pads made from bamboo or organic cotton. These pads are soft on your skin and can be washed and reused multiple times, reducing waste. Another simple swap is switching to shampoo and conditioner bars. These bars are becoming increasingly popular and offer a great alternative to traditional liquid products packaged in plastic bottles. Shampoo and conditioner bars are often made with natural ingredients and come in minimal recyclable packaging. Plus, they last longer than bottled products, saving you money in the long run. Making your own beauty products is a fun and rewarding way to reduce waste and know exactly what you are putting on your skin. Many simple DIY recipes use natural ingredients found in your kitchen. For a simple face mask, mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. Another easy DIY beauty recipe is a sugar scrub. Combine equal parts sugar and coconut oil for a gentle exfoliating scrub. You can customize your scrub by adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Gently massage the scrub onto your skin in circular motions and then rinse it off. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and refreshed. Choosing eco-friendly beauty products is a powerful way to prioritize your health and the health of our planet. By opting for natural and organic ingredients, you can avoid exposing yourself to potentially harmful chemicals often found in conventional beauty products. These chemicals can disrupt hormones, irritate skin, and contribute to various health problems. Moreover, eco-friendly beauty practices often go hand in hand with cruelty-free products. Choosing brands that don't test on animals ensures that your beauty routine is ethical and compassionate. By embracing eco-friendly beauty, you contribute to a more sustainable and compassionate world for all.